प्रणय, मंच पर उपस्थित सभी अतिथिगण, तारे खान जी, सुब्बा जी, उपस्थित सभी सम्मान्य अतिथिगण और मित्रों, सबसे पहले मैं देश का पहला ये एलएनजी स्टेशन इसकी शुरुआत हो रही है और ये मेरा सपना था बीइंग ए ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर। तो मैं प्रणव को और सुब्बा राव जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ, उनका अभिनंदन करता हूँ। थोड़ा सा आपसे अनुमति मांगता हूँ क्योंकि ये सब बातें इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर जाने वाली है, इसलिए मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलने का प्रयास करता हूँ। ऑलरेडी आवर कंट्री इज importing the crude of 8 lakh ton, 8 lakh crores. In our economy, we are spending 8 lakh crores for the imports of petrol, diesel and petroleum products. This is a big challenge for the country economically. At the same time, petrol and diesel is the fuel which creating maximum pollution. So first of all, as a transport minister, we have decided a policy that import substitute cost-effective, pollution-free and indigenous. And that is one of the reasons that we are encouraging ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG, electric, LNG and hydrogen fuel cell. Today it is a great pleasure and pride for me that our ministry is constantly working on different alternative fuels. The first of the fuel is ethanol. We have already taken decision, and from 2009 I am constantly an advocate who is constantly pleading for using of bioethanol. We are making ethanol from molasses, BAV molasses, sugarcane juice. Now we are giving permission to making ethanol from corn, from rice and even from any type of food grain. Ethanol is an absolute alcohol. Now this is the mission, that diversification of agriculture towards energy and power sector. We have a crucial problem that we have rice surplus, corn surplus, sugar surplus. Present requirement in the country for the sugar is 240 lakh ton and the production of last year was 305 lakh ton. And that is the reason that government has given the subsidy of 6,000 crore for export of sugar. The rate of sugar in Brazil is 22-23 rupees per kg, and India the rate of sugar is 31 to 32 rupees per kg. So sugar surplus, corn surplus, we have 300 lakh ton of rice. Now it is a great challenge for the country that how we can use it and how we can save it from the West. So now government has taken a decision to taking ethanol from rice. Presently we have the ethanol economy of 480 crore liters ethanol is manufacturing in the country. In all of your petrol bikes, scooters and cars, particularly Vidarbha area, we are manufacturing bioethanol now 2 lakh liter per day. In every your scooter and car, 10% of ethanol is added, which is manufactured in our sugar factory. But now the problem is that only they are adding up to 10%. Now the Prime Minister has taken decision that we add it up to 22%. So requirement of bioethanol is 1000 crore liter. So we need to double production of ethanol, bioethanol, and there is a huge demand is available. So conversion of rice, conversion of corn, and the next third stage ethanol is making ethanol from biomass, that is cotton straw, wheat straw and dry straw. So the ethanol economy where we need your cooperation, that as a transport minister, within 3 months we are going to take a decision, a revolutionary decision. In the USA, Canada and Brazil, they have a system of flex engine. What is the meaning of flex engine? That is, it is the choice of with the consumer that he can take 100% petrol or 100% bioethanol. And now all brands, that is Mercedes, BMW, Hyundai, Toyota, all which are present in India, the all brands are present in Canada, USA and Brazil with flex engine. The cost of the vehicle, there is no difference. Petrol vehicle and ethanol vehicle, flex engine cost is same. So we have taken a decision. Now it will be a mandatory for automobile manufacturers, particularly the four-wheelers, two-wheelers, to make them flex engines. Only there is a small arrangement. One is the filter from the Bosch and some small parts they have to change. So now the petrol price is a big problem in the country. The people are facing crucial problem, making agitation for that. Then it will be the choice with the consumer that on the petrol pump he can take petrol or ethanol. The rate of petrol will be more than 110 rupees per liter and ethanol rate will be 65 rupees, 60 rupees per liter. As far as the caloric value is concerned, the 800 ml petrol equal to 1 liter of bioethanol. So at least 20 rupees per liter saving is there. And it is green fuel, less pollution, import substitute, cost effective and pollution free, and it's from the agriculture. The other important fuel is CNG. We have already converted a lot of buses, cars, scooters, not scooters but three-wheelers, cars, on autos on CNG. Now the Kaustubh Gupta is doing that already on the ring road. He has got a pump and a lot of facilities, free pump now in Nagpur. So first of all,